With Salesforce, you've made a significant decision to bring all your customer data into one place. Let's take a look at how Odaseva's Data Protection Cloud safeguards your customer data from accidental loss or corruption. Getting started is simple. Our installable data application has been pre-configured with best practices for a smooth and scalable backup plan. Our advanced backup plan has the completeness to cover your entire organization, with the options for weekly full and incremental backups. From data to metadata to even files, ensure your complete organization is always protected. With backup rates up to 300 million records per hour, optimization of parallel API calls, and care for your org's quality of service, Odaseva has the performance to completely back up even the largest orgs at industry-leading speed. With Odaseva, security is at the forefront of all our solutions. Data encryption is based on the strongest and most robust encryption standard, AES 256-bit encryption. Only Odaseva is a no-view provider, meaning we can't see your data. It's for your eyes only. Our expertise keeps your customers' data safe. With managed backup services, Odaseva helps solve common backup strategy failures with plan optimization, daily monitoring, and error cause analysis. But backup is only half the solution. Our restore options have the flexibility and power to restore your data, one record at a time or in bulk. Odaseva Data Protection, leading you to data success. Contact us to learn more about our customer trust platform.